Hey guys, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. Today we'll be making this fun naked cake that's been dusted with gold dust to look really antique-y and kind of shabby chic. So you'll need your cake. I've chosen a dark base cake, so like a chocolate or a red velvet works well here, and pouncing it with edible gold dust. You can use a white base cake like a vanilla or a white mud, but the gold won't show through as dramatically, so I highly recommend a dark cake base. Once it's completely covered, you can pop it back into the fridge, and in the meantime, fill your piping bags. I'll need 3 of these, 2 with white, so one's going to be the filling in the cake, and the other one's going to be fed through a 4th piping bag for a bit of a double color effect. So the double color effect is going to be white and red. I'm not filling these ones here as much. You can see here about 3 tablespoons or so, and then I'll flatten it out between my hands. Do the same for that white one. And then in comes that 4th piping bag that's fitted with a 6B piping tip. I feed both colors through there evenly, and then I squeeze out until both colors are piped through equally. Now it's time to build our cake. You can take that white frosting, stick your first layer of cake on top with the baked side down, and then fill in the center. Leave about an inch from the edge, and then pipe little stars, making sure that the front of the cake is showing the line that separates the 2 colors. Pop on your next layer of cake and follow through the same way. You can create that puddle in the middle of frosting and work around that, or you could go the other way where you pipe the dollops first and then fill in, whatever is more comfortable for you. You could do it all the way through with those piped colors, and then when you cut it, both colors show through, so there's that effect as well. Totally up to you. In between those dollops, I'm adding large edible gold drickies. You can buy these from cake decorating supply stores or online as well. For the decoration on top of the cake, I'm using red carnations and gum leaves. You could use fake flowers or real flowers for this. If you are using real flowers, I recommend ripping off the stem and feeding through some floral wire. Create a loop and then just twist it together so it secures the flower on there, and then combine 2 flowers and add floral tape around the stem, doing the same thing again for the gum leaves. I've added a wire to the gum leaves as well, just to make it a lot easier to press into the cake and shape it to the way that I like. And then to make it food safe, wrap it up in Glad wrap or feed it through a straw before adding it into the cake. I bent the wire slightly and then I pressed it into the cake, and that way it looks like it's cascading downwards. So that's a beautiful thing about adding wires. You can bend them and twist them to get the right, trajectory or angle for your florals. Into the bouquet, I'm also adding these little buds that came with the bouquet, and then adding some extra details at the base of the cake as well. She's simple but sweet. I think it looks really different and shabby chic, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this cake design. And if you do give it a go, I'd love to see how yours comes out as well. #Rosie's Dessert Spot so I can check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to subscribe for more cake decorating tutorials, and I'll catch you again in the next one.